Hello friends, today we are learning 6th standard mathematics playing with numbers, first exercise. In previous classes we seen some examples and some explanation. Now directly we will see exercise number 1.1, 6th standard CBSE textbook, NCERT textbook, CBSE syllabus, exercise number 1.1. Here are the questions. Now the first question is exercise number 1.1, fill in the blanks. In the fill in the blank, the first fill in the blank is 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. In 1 lakh, how many zeros are there? 5 zeros. And in 10,000, how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. It means that in 1 lakh, there are 5 zeros, and in 10,000, there are 4 zeros. So what we have to do? We have to match that. How we have to match? Now we will see on the board. Here. This is 1 lakh. And this is 10,000. According to that question. So here is how much? 1 zero is left. 1 zero means you have to multiply with 10. So what is the answer then? 10,000. So the first answer is 10,000. Here 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. 10,000 is the first answer. Okay dear? Now next, 1 million is equal to 100,000. Now first we will see 1 million means how much? In 1 million there are 6 zeros. 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. And the question is given dash 100,000. This is 100 and in 1,000 3 zeros. 100 and in 1,000 3 zeros. So how many zeros are left? Here is 6 zeros, now here is 5 zeros. So 1 zero is left. So 10 into 100,000. So the answer here is what? 1 million is equal to 100,000. You will see that now the second question. Yeah, here 1 million is equal to 100,000. The third question, 1 crore is equal to dash 10 lakhs. In 1 crore, how many zeros are there? 7 zeros. First, you have to come to know that how many zeros are there in 1 crore. So there are 7 zeros. So this is what? According to our Indian system, this is 1 crore. 1s, 10s, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore. There are 7 zeros. And in 10 lakhs, how many zeros? This is 10 lakhs, 6 zeros. How many zeros are left? How many zeros are less here? 1 zero less. 1 zero means what? 10. So 10 multiplied by 10 lakh. So what is the answer? 1 crore. So the answer is 1 crore is equal to 10 lakhs. Here will come 10 lakhs. Now next question. Next question. 1 crore is equal to dash million. Again you have to see in 1 crore how many zeros? In 1 crore there are 7 zeros. In 1 crore there are 7 zeros. 1 crore there are 7 zeros is 1 crore. And million. Million means how much? 1 million means 10 lakhs. 1 million means 10 lakhs. 1s, 10s, 100s, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 1 million means 10 lakh. Or you can go into international system. They both are same. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. So here are 6 zeros, here are 7 zeros. How many zeros left? 1 zero is less here. So what will become? Again here 10 multiplied by 10 lakhs. Again here also 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Next, the next question is 1 million is equal to dash lakh. Just we seen here 1 million means 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. So he is asking 1 million is equal to dash lakh. Again we will see in 1 million how many zeros are there. In 1 million there are 6 zeros. This is 1 million. 1 million is equal to dash lakh. In lakh you know that there are 5 zeros. So here 1 0 less according to this. 1 0 less means what? Here will become 10 multiplied by. So here also 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So here what answer is what? Again 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. This was the first question. This was the first question. Now second question. We will see. What is the second question? Now here the second question is place commas correctly and write the numerals. Write the numerals. Here it is given in name. You have to write in numbers. You have to write in numbers. So first question. What is the first question? 73 lakhs 75,307. So here the number is given, number name is given. You have to write in the numeral. Numeral means numbers. You have to write in the numbers. So here number name is given 73 lakh 75,307. So please just little bit you have to pay more attention here. More attention here. How to pay? Look at the board now. First you seen that 73 lakh 75,307. So first we will write here. This is Indian system. You have to put a small dashes. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. 73 lakhs it comes under 10 lakhs. Now according to that you have to write here. What is given 73 lakhs? 73 lakhs. That. 73 lakhs. 75,000. 75,000. Comma. 75,307. 307. Please. The question is 73 lakh 75,307. First what I did, I put here small dashes, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Why I taken up to 10 lakh? Because the question is up to in the 70 lakhs. 73 lakhs. So it comes 10 lakhs also. So first you have to place small dash from your right side to the left side, counting the places ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. When you write here 10 lakh, the first number is 73 lakhs. Here the 73 lakhs you have to write it, comma, 75,000, comma, 307. In this way you can write. We will go on the next question. So you will come to know again. Now next question. What is the next question? The next question is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Please see here. 9 crore 5 lakhs 41. Now I will show you how to write that number. Look at the board. Again same. The number is in a crores. The number is in a crores. Again put a small dashes. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. I taken up to the crore because in the question they mention a crore. So first only you have to take a crore. How many crores? 9 crores. So this is only the single number 9 crores. After 9 crore, 5 lakh. 5 lakh. So this is 5 lakh. Next 41. So there is no 1,000, there is no 100, there is only 41. So this is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Once again, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. They said 9 crore 5 lakhs 41. So this is 9 crore dash 5 lakh. There is no 1,000. In the 1,000 place is 0 0 and 100 place also what? 0. There is no. So 41. So this is 9 crore 5 lakh 0,000 41. Now understood? Now next question will be. What is the next question? 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Here again the number is up to the 7 crores. Again you have to put the dash, small dash. No need to put a dash. It is help you to write the correct number So you cannot confuse them. So what you have to do, you have to put a small dashes from your right side to left side by counting from the ones, again tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So here is given 7 crore. Again we are taking on the board. Just pay attention on the board. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Again the number is in crore. How many crores? 7 crores. So this is 7 crore. After 7 crore, how many lakhs? 52 lakhs. 52 lakhs. After 52 lakhs, 21,000. 21,000. After 21,000, 302. 302. Now put according to the comma, according to the Indian system. So this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 7 crore, 52 lakhs, 21,302. Now next question. What is the next question? Next question is given 58,423,202. Now up to here they given our Indian system. Now this is our international system. Now once again I am reading 58,423,202. So again you have to put a comma. Now this time you have to read the place value of international system, not Indian system, because it is international number. Now see on the board how to do that. Look at the board. Now what I am doing, again I am placing the comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. International system there is a 100,000. After 100,000, million. After 100,000 what? Million. After million, 10 million. Up to 10 million we will take. Why up to 10 million we will take? Because the number is 58 million. So 10 million up to 10. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. We require this much only. Now what is the number? 58 million. So this is 58 million. After 58 million, 423,000. 423,202. 202. According to the international system, the commas they have to place 3 digits before. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. I put a dash up to only 10 million because the question is up to 58 million. So this helps you to write the accurate number. So there is no chances of getting a mistake. Now next question, that is the last question of this. 23 lakhs 31,000. Once again I am repeating. 23 lakh 30,000 10. 23 lakh 30,000 10. This is a question. Now come here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now this question is of according to the Indian system. So we put the places according to the Indian system. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Why I taken 10 lakh? Because there is given 23 lakhs. So 23 lakhs. This is 23 lakhs. After 23 lakhs, what is there? 23 lakhs. 23 lakhs, 30,000. So 30,000. 30,000 and 10. And 10. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 23 lakhs, 30,000 and 10. So here we will see the answers. What the answers we written? The first answer, the first answer 73 lakhs 75,307. Second answer 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Next answer 7 crore 52 lakhs 21,302. Next answer 5 crore 84 lakhs 23,202. Now the The next question. Now question number 3. Now E question 23,30,010. Next question. What is the next question? Insert comma suitably and write the name according to Indian system of numeration. These are the given. Now we have to writing that number name. Number is given. Now you have to write the number name. How to write the number name? Now first question. First we have to put a comma according to the Indian system. 3 digit before comma we have to put it. After putting the 3 digit before, you have to start reading ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So how much crore? 8 crore. 8 crore. How many lakhs? 75 lakhs. 75 lakhs. How many thousand? 95. 95,000. How many hundreds? 762. 762. First, what we have to do? We have to place a comma. It's set in Indian system. 3 digit before, 2 digit before, 3 digit before, 2 digit before, 2 digit before, and so on. Now, when you put the 3 digit before, 2 digit before, 2 digit before, start counting from the right side to the left side. The first digit is of unit number. So, units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So, the single number is 8 crore, 75 lakhs, 95,762. Now, second question. Again, you have to put a comma. Here, 3 digit before comma, 2 digit before comma, 2 digit before comma. Now read from the first digit to the last digit from right to left, which is the places. Now here is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 10 lakh. These two you have to read together. 85 lakhs, 46,283. 85 lakhs, 46,283. Now next question. Now the next question. Again we have to put a comma. How to put a comma? 3 digit before comma, 2 digit before comma, 2 digit before comma. Now read from the right side number to the left side number, the places value. When you read the place value, so you come to know what idea, what the number accurately is. So it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So it stop on the crore. So how much it is? 9 crore. Together 99 lakh. There is no thousand. 46. So the answer of this question you have to write 9 crore, 99 lakh and 46. This is the writing. Now next. Again the number you have to put a comma. According to Indian system. 3 digit before comma, 2 digit before comma, 2 digit before comma, 1 digit is left. Now again start right from right to the left. Read the numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Again stop on a crore. So if this number is coming in a crore. So this number is crore. 9 crore, 84 lakhs, 32,701. 9 crore, 84 lakhs, 32,701. Now we will see here, insert the comma suitably and write the name according to the international system of numeration. Before we see the Indian system, now this is international system. Here the questions are given. There are given 4 questions. Now these 4 questions, numbers are given, number name we are writing. Now one by one we will see how to write the number name. Now here, if you see the first question, the number is given 78921092. First we have to put a comma according to the international system. In international system we put a comma before 3 digit, before 3 digit, before 3 digit. So here first we will put a comma before 3 digit, comma before 3 digit, comma and so on. So here these are the 2 digit, these are the 3 digit, these are the 3 digit. Start reading from the first number. The first digit from your right side, see which is this. What is this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. It means it is under count on 10 million. So this will both come in a 10 million, this will become in a 1000 and this will become in a 100. So 78,921,092. Once again, 3 digit before comma, 3 digit before comma, first comma, place a comma between the numbers, between the digits. After that, from your right side, start counting the numbers or places like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. When you read this understand 10 million both. This is thousands and this is ones. So these two you have to read together. 78,921,092. 78,921,092. Second question. The second question also same. First we have to put a comma between the three digits. The number is 7452283. 3 digit before comma, 3 digit before comma. So after placing the comma, read the places value, check the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, and sorry, it is intervention system. I also forgot. Now, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and million. So in intervention system, once again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and million. So it is only single million, 7 million. These three digits together, 452,000. They are in thousand, and they are in thousand. They are in thousand. They are in thousand. 7,452,283. 7,452,283. Next question. Again, place a comma before three digit. Read the number from the beginning from right side digit. Place values ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So here there in 10 million 2 digits are there. In 1,000 3 digits. Now this two digits you have to read together. So it is, what is this? 99,985,102. 99,985,102. Now the last question of this exercise. Here the number 48049,831. Place the comma between the digits according to intervention system. 3 digit before, 3 digit before, 3 digit before, 3 digit, 3 digit. Now ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So these 48 in 10 millions. 049 in 1,000. 831 is in 100. So 48 millions, 49,831. 48 million, 49,831. So this was our exercise number 1.1 of first chapter, playing with numbers. Again next day we will see the 1.2 exercise in our next class. So please practice the questions at home. In 1.2 exercise we will see in the next class we will see 1.2 exercise. Thank you.